Hi friends, today we'll be showing you how to install the eTime TrackLite application. So to install the eTime TrackLite application, you should have the package downloaded from the website. This is the file which you need to have for the desktop. Now we'll extract this file first. Once the file is extracted, open the folder. You will find two folders. One is database file, the other one is eTime TrackLite. Go into the eTime TrackLite folder. There is a setup file. You need to right click on it and say run as admin. It will ask you the security permission. Say yes. Now it comes to the welcome screen. You need to click next. You need to agree the terms and conditions and say next. Here is the path where the application will be installing by default. So I will say next. You can enter your username, enter your organization name, and click on next. Here are the modules along with eTime TrackLite setup what you will be getting. If you want to install the ePay track, you need to select. If you're looking for the visitor management, you can select the visitor management, and there is a scheduler you can select as well if you require it, and say next. So the application will start installing. Once your application installation is completed, it will ask you to install the MS Office database engine file. As I already have the 32-bit of MS Office installed, that's why it is throwing an error. So we'll just ignore this and finish the setup. So our application is installed. So this is the login screen. To log into the application, by default username is ESSL and password is ESSL. Once you enter the username and password, you need to click on login. You are getting a backup failed access to the path and the access denied. That means there is a permission issue. I will show you how to give the permission. I will click OK and I'll close the application. So to give the permission, you need to go to your C drive, program 86, ESSL folder. You need to right click on it, go to properties, go to security, click on edit. Now I'll be adding a user called everyone. Click OK and select the user and give the full control and say apply. Click OK, OK, and I'll minimize this and try to open again. Now the application is ready to go. It will ask you for the license key. Up to 7 days you will have a trial period. Within the 7 days you have to update the license key. I'll say no, and here the application is logged in.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates.